Hey, are you looking for some high quality traffic for your high ticket affiliate marketing opportunity? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and a top traffic provider in the solo ad space. So I'm a marketer first, and then I just happen to sell traffic, right? And that's exactly who you need to be getting your traffic from, a marketer who sells traffic, and that's who I am, right? And why should you get traffic from me? Well, my goal is to make sure that your traffic is targeted to the offers that you're promoting, and you want to always make sure that the capture page and the copy is congruent, right? So I help people to get results, and making sure that their traffic sources that they're getting traffic from are quality as well. Those are very important things, and I cover all those boxes when it comes to high quality traffic. Why? Because I'm a marketer, right? Not all solo ad vendors are marketers. A lot of them don't know crap about how to market anything online. And it's funny because if you're on Facebook, you've probably got people that came in your inbox and tell you to buy traffic, right? And those people don't even have a traffic store of their own, right? So who's real and who's not, right? By what they're able to produce and what they're able to show you. And it helps you to build know, like, and trust factor with somebody whenever you have things in place such as a store or something like that. So always make sure when you're getting any kind of traffic, you know who you're getting it from. And that's why I give you some of my background. So when you get traffic from me, you're getting it a mix of different traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, WordPress, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of that different kind of traffic. And my goal is to help you to understand paid traffic. And I help people that I work with personally to be able to manage their funnels and their offers so they get the highest conversions possible. And that's what I help people to do. I have up to a 90% conversion rate on opt-in with sales, so with conversions as well, to this point, right? It only happened once, but it happened, right? So my highest to record is 90%, but I keep it at 85% because I don't want to, blow numbers out the water, and I want it to definitely be something that you think that could happen with you, right? Um, so definitely, that's what I do. I help people to get conversions with their traffic, and I want you to understand how to track your leads and your conversion rates. Um, a lot of people come to me, they don't know what they're doing, they don't know how to track anything. They're like, okay, I was told to just run traffic to a funnel, and I'm going to get all these results, and it's going to be amazing, I'm going to make all this money. That's not how it works. You have to be able to build a list with the right people who are highly engaged and who have what you want, or who want what you have, I mean, right? And that's what I help you to do. So this process happens in 3 steps. First, you'll get traffic, and then we'll do a review of your campaign. So you get a strategy call with me. You can book it after you book your traffic package. In the strategy call, we go over how to actually help you get results. So in the call, I'm going to ask you about what you've been doing in business and try to get a feel for where you're trying to go, so that way I can help you to get to your results quicker, and so you won't waste a lot of money in the places that you don't need to, trying to figure it all out on your own, which is really good because I was there. I spent a lot of money not knowing what I was doing when I first got started 7 years ago, and I don't want that to happen to you, right? And then your traffic order is going to start within 72 hours or less. So, depending on when you book the call as well, it's going to happen after the call. If you book the call, which I highly suggest you book your strategy call, and then it happens after your strategy call. Other than that, orders typically start within 72 hours or less. And here's some of the testimonials that I have, just so you can see. And there's a bunch right here, and people just love my traffic. They love my support. They love the fact that I'm not leaving them out there to try to figure it all out on their own. So here's the 90% T1. So you could pick a 90% T1 or 100% T1, which is always the best. 100% Tier 1 is 100% English speaking countries. And then here's some of the companies that I've ran, traffic for people in the past or now. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, I would check this portion before you actually ask questions, because it might be in there. Here's my guarantee to you. I cannot offer refunds because it's paid traffic, right? And I can't offer refunds as far as that goes. So anytime you get an order from me, realize that it's paid traffic, and I can't give refunds. I'm telling you that up front. But what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic. So let's say you're having an issue with an order for any reason. I will make it up to you in traffic and make sure you get exactly what you ordered. If there's an issue, I will fix it, right? All you have to do is reach out to me. You can leave a message down here or reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Giunta, and I'll connect with you and we'll have a conversation. I make myself very available for support, so you should not have any issues when it comes to getting support from me and getting help from me when you order your traffic, right? And if you're doing a high ticket offer, I highly suggest that you have bonuses in combination with your traffic, because bonuses actually help you to have people join you as opposed to joining somebody else, right? So if you have the bonuses, they're more likely to sign up with you for your bonuses as opposed to somebody else. So I would definitely have. Have you been looking for a top? I would definitely have bonuses in place to be able to do that, right? So the bonuses are going to help you to be able to get those results you want to get to. If you don't have bonuses, that's fine. I can help you with all that stuff. I can help you to build and grow your brand and have a professional, appearance online, so you get more sales, you get more people that come to you. That's what I help people to do. I help people with their marketing. So solo ads is just one method of marketing. If you're trying to build a high ticket business, you're going to have to learn marketing and different strategies. So I'm here to help you with that. So if you're ready to get traffic from me and you want to get a strategy call, is all you have to do is click on that link below this video to book your traffic package. When you do that, you'll be able to book a strategy call with your traffic package. All right, and also get into my free Facebook group. There's a link down in the description where you could actually get in. It's a free group to the public where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business. You're going to want to get into there, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.